Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about something that's on everyone's mind, juicy lips. But before you start thinking these lips are all smooth and soft-edged, plot twist, they are not. It's all about the angle and lighting, so grab your stylus and let's dive in and learn how to create lips that are juicy and sharp at the same time. Ready? Let's go. Alright, so you probably think juicy lips are always have soft blended edges, right? Well, plot twist, you are wrong. It all depends on the angle and lighting. Trust me, this is where the magic happens.
Her lips look super juicy, right? But see how the edges are a bit sharp.
Here is another pair, smooth blended with the skin, but look carefully, you can still see a bit of sharpness at the corners. So what's the secret to achieving this juicy perfection? Let's get into it. Alright, let's learn how to draw those perfect juicy lips.
Draw the basic shape of the lip. If you want a tutorial on drawing lips with correct proportions, let me know in the comments. I'll share it as a short.
First up, we have got the highlights and shadows. They are super important here.
Add lip lines and wrinkles to make the lips look more realistic.
Forget about those white dots people use for highlights. That's so 2005, you know? Instead, use a lighter shade of the lips for your highlights. This creates that nice 3D juicy look, without looking like you just put a random dots there. Smooth blended highlights are the key. Now on to shadows, they play a big part in creating that depth. Focus on the deeper regions like near the teeth, and speaking of teeth, let's talk teeth. I see some of you using pure white for your teeth. Why? Why are you doing that? Have you ever looked at your teeth in that mirror? Are they blindingly white? No, absolutely no. Well, I'm not saying make them yellow, just use a soft gray shade. It will give the teeth a natural realistic look and blend perfectly with the lips. And boom, there you have it, the secret to drawing juicy lips with a sharp, realistic edge. It's all about the detail and the lighting. Give it a try and see the difference. And that's a wrap on today's juicy lip tutorial. See, it's all about mastering the right highlights, shadows, and a little bit of realism to get the perfect look. If you learned something new today, don't forget to hit that like sub button. Share this juicy goodness with your fellow artists and subscribe so you never miss a trick. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Keep those brushes juicy, my friends.